Hey, it's Tracy with the Y. It has been absolutely forever since I have made or filmed a video. So, I'm going to do a video right now. This is our campsite. This was before we camp April through November. And our campground hosted a Christmas in July camper basically contest. So you all know how much I love Christmas and decorating. So I took some of my trees. I think I took 7 total. No, 8. Took 8 total. This tree here is a 6-foot tree. I put my cluster lights on it. And then I had 5 lanterns from the Dollar Tree. I put those in. They're kind of hard to see, but they're black. Right now I'm cutting red and black mesh because I think it looks kind of cabiny, rustic feel. I used a whole roll. I think it was 10 yards. Cut them about 20 inches long each. And then I just curl them. You see me rolling it here. Pinch it in the center, make like a butterfly, and I'm just twisting it into the pine branches. So I do all of this, which takes me about 15-20 minutes. I didn't record it all. I brought down 2 totes of Christmas ornaments, 4 bales, my Santa mailbox, red truck. I put a little tree in the back of it and it turned out adorable. Needless to say, it was probably about 85-90 degrees at this time, so even though it didn't feel like Christmas, by the time I was done, my whole campsite felt like Christmas. So here's a little preview with some ornaments. I did black, red, a little bit of white. Here is the final run through at nighttime. I did the picnic table there. I did the red and black buffalo check on the runner on the table with some black nutcrackers. Here's the finished tree. I hung a few signs up high. I love, love, love this tree and the cluster lights. Look at those little snowman hat pics. Those are adorable. There's a gnome. A couple little tree clusters. Another little gnome. This tree is beautiful. It's from Walmart. I can't say how much I love it. Actually, I can say how much I love it. I love it a lot. Anyways, the couch is so cute. All those pillows. The buffalo check, the red, white, and black. Another picture of the tree. There's a wreath I made. There's my Govee curtain lights. Super cute. Here's during the day, just some still photos. Super cute. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I've missed you guys. Please like, share, comment. I appreciate your thoughts. I know it's July, but it was just for fun, and it really made my day. Have a great day. Bye. Just kidding. Enjoy my videos and my photos. I added more than I thought. I appreciate you all. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.